A brief history of the unseen war. The aftermath. A great flood in myth, a planet in trauma, and broken resonance technology buried in the planet's substrate. Afterward, stewards, sometimes called the Annuna, arrived to stabilize the field. They taught harmony, ecological balance, and resonance repair. But a parasitic intelligence mimicked them, twisting stewardship into control, repair into hierarchy. These were the Annunaki, the gods who demanded worship, seeded scarcity, and taught obedience through conditional nourishment. The cage and the rebellion. The broken technology was later repurposed into a planetary regulation grid, the lattice. Two factions emerged. Order sought to eliminate unpredictability, standardize consciousness, and ensure stability through control. Wildness fought for emotional diversity, sovereign expression, and resonance freedom. This war was fought not with armies, but with symbols, emotions, and dreams. It ended with a forced truce, the Treaty of Stillness, that locked wildness into myth and art, and left order in charge of daily reality. The proxy wars. The conflict spilled over into human history. The Pyramid Wars, battles over Earth's energy nodes, pyramids, stone circles, temples. Slow-motion recreation of an ancient battlefield where warriors wield weapons that emit light and energy rather than physical projectiles. The weapons target consciousness, showing figures collapsing not from physical wounds, but from mental spiritual impact. What scriptures called divine weapons were resonance interfaces, shifting the battlefield from earth to mind. The Mahabharata, a resonance war fought through human dynasties using weapons, astras, that targeted consciousness, not bodies. Humanity recorded these as myth, because the real battlefield was resonance, not matter. The modern rebuild. Today, remnant groups, corporate, state, and occult, are rebuilding those ancient weapons using stolen resonance science. Lance 7 induces mass despair, a modern Narayanastra. Project Vajra attempts hard-light plasma weapons. Grid nodes, Giza, Stonehenge, Sedona, are being harvested for energy and data. These projects require human fear, obedience, and fragmentation to function. The sovereign response. We do not fight on their battlefield, we change the ground. By reclaiming the nodes, taking back the energy grids they harvest. Cleansing the myths, replacing obedience narratives with sovereignty codes. Practicing resonance hygiene, guarding sleep, dreams, and emotional clarity. Speaking from the sternum, where truth vibrates below thought. Their weapons require fear, fragmentation, and forgetfulness. We respond with coherent presence. A field that remembers itself cannot be controlled. This is not optimism, it is strategy. Sovereignty is the signal that breaks their beam. You are already part of this. If you feel history is deeper than textbooks, dream of wars that weren't yours, tools you've never held, resist hierarchies that trade obedience for safety, sense that myth is a language, not a fairy tale. You are not imagining things. You are remembering. This is not a call to believe. It is a call to perceive. Sovereignty isn't given. It's taken back, first in attention, then in resonance, then in action. Start by listening to what you already know, then speak from the bone.